Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the HCF of 72, 60 and 96. To find out the HCF of these three terms, we first need to factorize them. Factorizing 72, we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 cube into 3 square. Similarly, factorizing 60, we get 2 square into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1, and on factorizing 96, we get 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 1. Therefore, the highest common factor amongst these three terms becomes 2 square into 3 to the power 1, that is 12, which is the required answer. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the HCF of 12 and 48. Using long division method, we can obtain the HCF of 12 and 48. For this, we divide 48 by 12. On dividing 48 by 12, we get the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 0. Since the remainder is 0, HCF is nothing but the divisor, that is 12. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the HCF of 10 and 25. We use long division method to find the HCF of 10 and 25. For this, we divide 25 by 10. On dividing 25 by 10, we get the quotient as 2 and the remainder as 5. The remainder now becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. Therefore, 10 when divided by 5 gives the quotient as 2 and the remainder as 0. The divisor which gives the remainder as 0 becomes the HCF. So, the HCF is 5. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the HCF of 10, 25 and 30. We first find out the HCF between 10 and 25. For this, we divide 25 by 10. We get the quotient as 2 and the remainder as 5. Again dividing 10 by 5, we get the quotient as 2 and the remainder as 0. Therefore, the HCF becomes 5. Now, we need to find out the HCF between 5 and the remaining number 30. That is again obtained by long division method. 30 when divided by 5 gives the quotient 6 and the remainder as 0, and so the final HCF comes out to be 5. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the greatest number that will exactly divide 65, 52 and 78. The greatest number that will exactly divide 65, 52 and 78 is nothing but the highest common factor of these three numbers. To find out the highest common factor, we first need to factorize these three numbers. 65 can be factorized as 13 into 5, 52 as 13 into 4 and 78 as 13 into 6. This gives the highest common factor as 13. So, the greatest number that will exactly divide these three numbers is nothing but 13. This is the required solution. Thank you.